that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
What up, what up? How's everybody doing? Looks like might be experiencing problems. Not really sure. Can you guys hear me out there? Might have to go over here. How do I get the pop-out window? I forget. I don't know. Can you guys hear me? Alright, let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. I'm gonna go to this pop-out window. Hold on one second. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright. How's everybody doing today? Let me see if streams, make sure we're still live. Cool, cool. Yep. Cool. Good thing. Good deal, good deal. Let's see here. How many people we got? Yeah, we're doing pretty well, guys. I'm gonna wait just a couple of minutes for some people to pop in. If you're here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Might start doing this stuff on Fridays. I don't know. We'll have to see. It just kind of works out better for me tonight to do it because I got some things going on Sunday. So figured I'm not doing nothing tonight anyway, but really just hanging out, looking at charts, and being a nerd, I guess. So that's about all I'm doing tonight, so I figure I might as well go live. See who's all out there today. What the hell is going on? Whatever. Alright, let's see. I could do this. Well, yeah. We're doing really well, guys. Bitcoin is definitely showing us some things. definitely showing us some things. So I'm pretty happy. We, as you can see here on my chart, we busted through that 886. Right now, we're getting stopped by the Bollinger Bands on the weekly. But I did find some pretty interesting developments on the chart that I kind of want to share with you guys. But I want to wait for some more people to come in because, yeah, I think it's pretty important. So definitely, there's a lot of cool stuff going on. A lot of cool stuff going on right now. Do I have any people that like Bitcoin forks out there? Like, Dash, Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Diamond. There's a few Bitcoin forks out there. So, yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff going on right now. A lot of interesting things happening with the charts, and we're gonna definitely go over that. Pretty excited to see that. So, let's see how we close this week on Sunday. We get a really nice close. Things, I think, anything really above 59, 177 range ish is going to be a really good close. I mean, even above the 786 on a good close, but still, I think personally we're going to close 60,000 or above this week. So we'll have to find out. So if you could, if you're here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Also, so we're gonna let's go over some Bitcoin forks. I want to really go over some historical stuff. And actually, before I do that, for anybody that's watching right now, I don't know how long you've been a part of this channel, but I had Larry from IoTex on last year, or beginning of this year, I think it might have been the end of last year. But anyways, just before the stream here, I just was talking to him, and he's gonna come on the show hopefully again next week. I think we're trying to iron out some times and everything, but he's gonna come back on and kind of give you guys an update, man. Because I tell you what, them guys are killing it. They're killing it, man. They're working, making all kinds of awesome developments. So it's definitely a great thing to see. Definitely a great thing to see. Larry's an awesome guy. So right here currently for Bitcoin Cash, we're starting to look pretty good on the daily. We did break above this 50-day moving average, but if you see, you see this a lot on the charts right now with a lot of different things, they're going to start battling these 200-day moving averages. When this thing gets above this 200-day moving average, this thing is going to go. It's going to get a nice little pop. I'm pretty excited for that. Bitcoin Cash, I definitely believe in Bitcoin Cash big time. So, yeah, some people like it, some people don't. Obviously, I believe, in my opinion, Bitcoin Cash is definitely more superior than to Bitcoin. So, faster transactions, cheaper transaction fees, and actually, if you look, a lot of countries are actually adopting it. So, that's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting stuff. So yeah. But yeah, Bitcoin Cash, I want to look at some historicals here. We're going to go back on the 1 week. I may be able to, yeah, I'm not going to be able to, I don't think, on this chart. Or am I? Nope, not on this chart. We're going to have to take a little trip over to CoinTrader Pro. And I can show you guys here some more. They always have more data. If you guys are into charting or whatever, always make sure you're looking at CoinTrader Pro if you're not sure about an asset. You might find some more data. You'd be surprised. CoinTrader is awesome. So, if you look right here, you got July 17, you know, right here, boom. October 16th, okay? The week of October 16th, we can actually even go down to the daily right here, and we can even break it down by the day. So, interesting. So, October 17th, we got a nice big green candle. You know, let's see what the percentage on that move was for that day. It's like a 21% jump, boom, got rejected, hit the 21, came down, and it's kind of just, you know, consolidating underneath there. And then finally, October 27th, this thing started ripping. This thing started ripping really nice. And, well, let's see. Let's go from October 24th to December 20th, 2017. Let's just kind of measure that move, how much percent that was. It was 1,258%, just in a short span of time. It's pretty exciting, guys. Pretty exciting. So I'm definitely bullish on Bitcoin Cash. I like Bitcoin Cash a lot. Just personal preference, though. You know. Let's take a peek at the weekly. See how this thing is looking. Yeah, it doesn't look terrible, but it doesn't look the greatest. The MAs are all kind of crazy looking right now, but that's okay. We're actually right here on the 8-day moving average on the weekly, so that's great to see it back above the 8. We did get a little golden cross here a couple weeks ago. Let's take a peek at the daily. Yep, daily right here. We got to battle this 200. So once we break above like 671, we should see some really nice price action. We're at the 0 line on the histogram on the MACD. Always great to see. And yeah, so let's see. I haven't looked at the chat. Jeffrey the Bull, what is up? Good to see you, man. Glad you're here. Glad you're here. Are you interested in any of the Bitcoin forks at all, or anything like that? What's your thoughts on Bitcoin right now? But yeah, guys, so when we do that, when we break back above here, you know, we're looking to at least go back right around this $800 range, roughly. You know, I'll pull a fib or whatever, because yeah, I didn't do it for Bitcoin Cash on the weekly. So let's see. Alright, here we go. So, hey, pull this fib right here. Whoops. Alright. Currently, above the 50, just like we were talking about in previous videos, we're still hanging out there. I like that. That's a great thing. What we're going to want to be doing here, though, is we're going to want to blow past this 618, take out 915. But first we got to take out this $800 range. Once we do that, we're going to be looking, yeah, right here, roughly right around $1,150, $1,200 range. Once we can take that out, we can get up here to about our 786, which is about $1,800. Once we take out $1,800, we're gonna have to bust this 886. This 886 is at $2,700. There's not really a lot of resistance there, but there's enough. You know, it'll probably. Who knows? You know, one thing is when these things are ready, they're ready. So let's just kind of take it step by step. I'm very excited to see what takes place. So, but you know, from a chart perspective, this thing technically you can see this thing run up to like 52K. That's the 1618. Could it go a little higher? Yeah, but we're not even gonna go there. Let's get to the 1618 first. It might not even reach that either, so we'll have to find out. So, but these would really technically be your profit taking lines, right here, $12,846. And then you're looking at $23,000, and then your last target, $52,190. That would be your profit taking for Bitcoin Cash. You guys do what you want. I know what I'm gonna do. Like I said, nothing on this channel is ever financial advice. Just trying to spread some knowledge. That's all. Just trying to spread some knowledge. But yeah, you know, Bitcoin's really liking this level right here. You know, we got that ETF approval today, so obviously, you know, that helps out a lot. So things are looking good, guys. Things are looking good. Which, you know, I expected this. Like, I expected things to be definitely turning around for the better. You know, I never really thought it was over. It did look ugly for a while. I'm not gonna it looked super sketchy for a while. It did, but just based on historicals, I didn't think it was over. So I really never lost faith in that at all. But yeah, so let's see what happens, guys. This is gonna be really, really interesting. You know, there's a lot of crazy things. Like, you know, you got Bitcoin Diamond following this channel on the daily, which is nice. You know, it's been on this channel for a little bit now. Well, let's see. I guess we could say since December of 2020. Hit the bottom of that channel, boom, ran up to about $11 right here. This is another one that has very, very high potential for your investment, you know. But we're definitely going to want to break this channel at some point. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, you know what? Actually, let me... I never even tweeted them live, so let's do that. Alright, guys. Alright. I thought about possibly streaming on some other platforms as well at the same time. But, well, let's see what happens. So yeah, there's a lot of interesting stuff out here going on. A lot of people are kind of, I bet people finally are getting the picture now of that it isn't over. At least I hope so. I sure hope so. There's a lot of money to be made. That is a fact. Yeah, look at this. On the weekly chart, we got our MACD curling up. Bam, tap the zero. So probably in a couple weeks, we're going to get that MACD cross, which would be really awesome. That'd be looking real good. And if you look at your indicators on the Fisher, technically you got an impossible inverse head and shoulders right here on the Fisher. All really, really good things to see, positive things. So, how many people we got? We got 2 people. Good to see you guys. Glad you're here. It's Friday night, and things are getting interesting. So, that's always awesome. Always a good way to start the weekend, right? When the market is going. Alright. But yeah, so we got that ETF approval, guys. That could be really interesting. It could potentially bring in a lot of volume, but typically we've been pulling back on Mondays and Tuesdays, so let's see what happens. Maybe it'll show us something different this week. That would be cool. That would be cool. It looks like it is. Anything delayed on your guys' end? Just kind of curious. I'm gonna probably sit here quiet for a moment just to kind of see. See you guys back in here. It's Friday night. Things are good. So yeah, guys. Also, if you're not following me or you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. I'd greatly appreciate it. And my username over on Twitter, give me a follow over there. Yeah. I don't really post much. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I retweet some stuff here and there that I think's important. Some things that I come across, but like I'm really not on social media too much, which, you know, I guess if you're trying to grow a channel, you probably should be, but yeah, it is what it is. It'll grow at its own pace. That's the way I look at it. I'm not really so worried about it. Just trying to help people, and you know, we're all here for the same reason. We all got into this market for the same reason. That was to make money. So it's always a great thing. And there's going to be plenty of opportunities after this, guys. Crypto isn't the only opportunity. You can go to any market and make money as long as you know what you're doing. Doesn't matter. Anybody have any assets they want me to take a peek at and kind of curious about? You kind of chart them up and see what they're doing. Let's just curious. Let's see what's going on. I bet a lot of things are probably. Let's see what they're. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see what the headlines are. Crypto could cause 2008 level meltdown. Bank of England official warns. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Oh, this is. Wow, this was back. It was back in March, actually. That's funny. Crypto on notice over rising ransomware attacks. Yeah, we already knew this. 5 hours ago, Bitcoin, Ethereum, blah 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 blah. Yep. Yeah, all interesting stuff. If you guys have anything that you want me to take a peek at, just let me know. And, yeah, we'll take a peek at it. I'm just kind of here, kind of like a hangout stream, talk about Bitcoin, see what you guys thinking, stuff like that. You want me to look at any assets for you, we can do so. You know, we'll look at Bitcoin dominance, because I looked at it this morning. I haven't looked at it anytime recently, but geez, that thing looked like it was about to bust the 200-day moving average. And if it does that, dominance is gonna get serious. So could definitely be interesting. I'm gonna clear all this stuff because I don't know when I did that. So yeah, weekly, let's zoom in, take a peek a little bit. Yeah, weekly we're above the 21. Bollinger Bands are turning green. You got the 200 up here at 56. Look at the daily. Yeah, here it is, guys. Boom, we broke the 200 on the daily for the Bitcoin dominance. So this could get pretty interesting. So, you know, if we see some pullbacks in altcoins, you know, there's going to be some anomalies, obviously, along the way. But it's kind of interesting, right? Seems like a pretty common pattern with a lot of charts right now, right? Boom, boom, double bottom, go. Look at this. Similar, the same thing, right? Got that down, double bottom, now it's coming back up. Hasn't really played out so hard yet, but look at this. Same thing. Go to the daily. Yeah, similar. Yeah, it's similar, but not exactly the same. It's actually, well, nice inverse head and shoulders on the daily for Bitcoin Cash, so that's going to be interesting. Like I said, we popped above the 672, 680. Yeah, it's gonna get really exciting for Bitcoin Cash, so pretty excited for that. Let's see if anybody's saying anything. Nope. All right. Got 3 viewers. Awesome, guys. Glad to see you. Glad to have you. If there is anything y'all want me to look at, just let me know. We'll take a peek at it. But a lot of things are doing the same thing. Boom, boom. You know, a lot of chart patterns looking the same. So it's actually, we're gonna have to go to CoinTrader for that. We'll go over to CoinTrader Pro. This is another one. This thing is a runner. But right now, it hit price discovery, came back down, and as you see, this thing launched at about 53 cents, came all the way back down to like 20, and then just started ripping. And this is a really, really nice looking daily chart, I'll tell you that. But check this out. So yeah, year 1618 for this, and this is a new asset. It's never been through a bull run, so it doesn't have as much data as a lot of your other older tokens. Yeah, boom, we busted the 886. We actually even busted the one line, came up, tried to go in price discovery. We did a little bit, you know, but everything's looking pretty solid though. Everything's looking pretty solid. Luxo is looking good. Right here on the 8. Looks like it could definitely get a bounce here soon. Possibly, potentially. Not saying that it will for sure, but it's looking pretty good though. But yeah, same thing, down, boom, boom. Got a low, higher low, run, correct. Marathon E, what is up? Yeah, man, I'm back. Let's go. I'm gonna be doing this stuff a little more consistent too, so you'll be seeing a lot more of me. Be seeing a lot more. Anything you want me to take a peek at, Marathon? Anything you're kind of curious that you're not sure where it's going or your targets or whatnot? Just let me know. We'll take a peek at it. Other than that, we're going to be looking at stuff, you know, kind of just a hangout, man. We're just hanging out, talking about charts, talking about crypto, talking about the Bitcoin ETF approval, you know, whatever. It's a Friday night. Let's have some fun. Let's go down a little bit of a list here that I got. Kind of take a peek at some stuff. Huh, here we go. Here's one I haven't looked at in a while. Kava. Let's take a look at Kava. Ooh. Oh. Bam. Right on the one line. Right on the one line. And the R2. Look at that. Alright. On the weekly, though, we're below that 21. So, well, actually, it's right there. It's right there on it. So, ooh, it's kind of rough. But that's okay. You know, most altcoins aren't going to look good right now. Dominance is up, you know, obviously you see dominance is pumping right now, so we just broke above the 200 on the daily, so I'm looking for more upside on the dominance. But you see that, boom, boom, you got a low, and you got your higher low. Well, actually, no, that's pretty, we'll just call that a double bottom, and then this will be your higher low. So yep, this thing could really rip, guys, it's looking that way, so watch your altcoins. We're going to have some anomalies along the way that are going to run against, but yeah, man, I love my nature walks, man. I love my nature walks. Player. Alright, cool, yeah, let's take a look at player, man. Let's take a peek at it. Let's go coin market cap. So player looking pretty flat right now. Holy shit, we got a nice crazy wick, huh? Wow. When was this? Let's take a look at this, and then we'll run a fib on it after. Okay. Player, we're below the 21-day moving average on the daily. You got your MAs pointing down. So currently, right now, it's actually not a buy, but you got a double bottom here. It might come down for a triple bottom. Let's look. Yeah, you got a lot of support. Got a lot of support in this area. But you know, you could come down a little bit more. Maybe make this right here. Maybe make another triple bottom possibly. Or I mean, make a triple bottom. We'll have to see, man. Doesn't look the greatest, but that's okay. We are bearish on the MACD. Yeah, it looks like it's going to cross down on the MACD too on the daily. Let's take a peek at the weekly. Weekly, yeah, not looking so hot, but I see you got a wild wick there though. That is pretty insane. I don't know if you know. Did you watch that wick happen, man? I know. Let me switch. Yeah. You know. So here's the thing, right? So Patrick had a lot of problems. They had a lot of problems. You know, Patrick ended up making a lot of excuses as well. So, I don't know. They said they're going to do the NFTs. Let's see what happens. I kind of heard some rumblings in the VeChain ecosystem that they're not a dead project, but you know, this thing's so cheap, man. It's always, you know, hey, whatever. It's one of those things you just never know. But I mean, you got some really good support right here. Like I said, could come down, catch this right maybe one more time, but you got a lot of support right here. So yeah, we're looking at a quadruple 5. Yeah. This thing, that wick though, huh? That wick took you, my goodness, man. 81 cents? That's insanity. Whew. I used to have a ridiculous amount of these back in the day. A ridiculous amount. My goodness. Yeah, but no, on the weekly it's not looking so great, but you know, once we haven't hit alt season yet, man. I mean, even a lot of these things that really haven't done a whole lot are gonna do something, right? Hopefully. But then again, though, you know, geez, we have so many damn coins. So many damn coins. But your next 1618 though, this isn't going to be like end of the bull run target. This could be an end of the bull run target. I don't know. We'll have to kind of just play it by ear because this asset's a little weird. But yeah, man, you're way below the 236. To see a nice reversal, we'd have to get above this 236 first. So you get above there and get cooking, you know, then we can. It'll be looking a little better. But yeah. Just curious. Let's run a percent on it. What the ROI would be just from this to this to the 1618. 1,500%, man. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. And it's super cheap right now. Okay. Alright. Your stream died, but I will catch up with you on the next live. Cool, man. Sounds good, man. Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you. Yeah, what's going on? Holy moly. Oh, man. I might have to reset my router. Jeez. Alright, well. Looks like that's not working out so well. So, alright, guys. If you're watching this, I'm going to cut it here because apparently I'm experiencing technical difficulties. I'm going to go reset my router and maybe I'll come back.